Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, May 24th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We're going to start the morning off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading lower by 4.5 points to 27.26 and a quarter per contract. All in all, futures were a little bit higher, right around 4 in the morning, and they have started to tail off a little bit. Yesterday, the markets gapped down and rallied back by the closing bell after the Fed minutes were released. So we'll see how today plays out. All in all, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started right here. We're going to start off with the big one here. Best Buy, big retailer here. Stock is trading at $73.25. It closed at $75.95. We got a little bit of a haircut there. There's still a fair amount of support around $71.50 if it trades down that low. If it goes lower, I will have levels for us in the intraday stock chat room. So again, we'll be watching Best Buy today. That is going to be on our radar a little bit later this morning. Let's take a look at MCK, which is Mckesson, and you're going to see this one here is selling off as well. Stock closed at 146.83, now trading at 146. So you got a little bit of downside here in Mckesson. Still looks to be a fair amount of support around the 138.50 area. That is where you have a double bottom from earlier in the month. So we'll keep that on the radar, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, until it trades down there, really nothing to do yet on MCK. Let's take a look at Sanderson Farms. SAFM is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $100.20. Closed at 107.02. So this is a good little haircut here for Sanderson Farms. There will be a key level around $98 coming up. So we'll see if that holds. But after that, you got to go much, much lower. I'll have the lower level posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Traders should remember this stock rarely trades 1 million shares a day on average, probably 300,000 to 400,000. So this thing can overshoot. It is a little bit of a higher risk play. Keep it on the radar today, though. And we'll be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look here at LB, which is L Brands. You're going to see the stock right now is trading at $31.95. It closed at $34.05. So this is a good little haircut. I don't see any real support here till maybe $29. And even at $29, I will have to look at that much, much closer. But right now, I don't think there's a whole lot to do in LB at the moment. But we will take a look at this around $29. We'll see how that plays out there. But the stock right now probably has to get down to that level before I even have any interest in it. Let's take a look at NTAP. NTAP is the ticker symbol here. And what you're going to see here is stock right now is trading at $64.15. Closed at $66.79. This is coming off of a severely overbought condition on a big time frame. When you look at it on the smaller time frame, you know, it's okay over here around 63.50 or so. But again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I still think it's way, way high on the chart right now. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll make an informed decision there. We'll see if it's playable. Let's take a look at Synopsys. SNPS is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $90.35. This is really unchanged from yesterday's close. You see in the after hours here, did have some wild swings, but again, it's basically right where it closed. So we're going to have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. Not much I would do with it at the moment. Let's take a look at Williams-Sonoma. WSM is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $54.75. Closed at $49.18. So all in all, pretty good pop here for Williams-Sonoma. If it gets up to around $56, I think that's probably the upper range of resistance. So just remember, I don't think it's going to go much higher than that today. Let's look at Copart. CPRT is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading right now at $52.50. It's been all over the map. I don't think there's a lot to do in this name yet, but keep it on the radar. It could be in play a little bit later. Hormel, the meat processing company, HRL, coming out with earnings. Right now, the stock is trading at $35.62, closed at $35.82. This could have some support around $34.50. Keep it on the radar today. We'll look at that one when we get a little when the opening bell rings and we see how it plays out. Last night or this morning, we did have some news that Trump is going to put a tariff on imports. So we'll see how that plays out. Tata Motor being affected a little bit right now This stock closed at 22.39, trading now at 21.30. So I think we'll have to watch the autos today, especially the foreign automakers, but we'll see how that plays out. Deutsche Bank, I am looking at this. I do not know the news yet. I haven't looked, but this is down again. The stock closed at 12.88. Now trading at 12.36. So I'm just coming across my screen here, seeing that is down pretty sharply. So we'll see how that plays out. But that's what we're looking at today. So we'll see how this all shakes out once the opening bell rings. As far as gold goes, gold is getting a bid today, trading at up about $8 at the moment to $1,297.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF, to track the movement in gold, you'll see that's trading at 122.98. Good little pop there, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. What is the catalyst for higher gold? Well, it's obviously a lower dollar. Dollar's been on a tear to the upside, but you can see here the dollar is selling off. When you look at the daily chart of the dollar, you got a little down day. So the dollar down, gold up. It kind of just works out that way, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is lower by 90 cents today to $70.95 a barrel. That will hurt stocks, as the energy stocks, if they start to pull back, that will be a problem. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at 14.34. It closed at 14.51. So oil is down today, gold is up today, dollar is down today, and markets have a lot of stocks in the news. So we'll see how it all plays out. And again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's really been a grand slam year. So again, if you want to come trade alongside of us, check out everything we do. You can hear all our commentary, trade right with us. And again, it's been an amazing 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.